He spent the better part of 6 months in a hospital in a clean room, and I could only see him through a little window in the door.
So let's start off with this, right? This is a capybara given to me by my oldest son. He said, "Daddy, you will be spending a lot of time in the office. Can you bring this to the office so that you will remember me?" And that is why I have this capybara here. Okay, my second son looks like this. So cute! We have a lot of fun times playing with this toy together. It's like, yeah, kind of thing, right? And this, these drawings from my daughter. She likes to draw a lot and she writes these notes regularly to me, saying that she loves me as well as the rest of the family. And then a picture here as well of all of us in the family.
One thing that I brought with us is not the laptop, but the world of Minecraft. There was a period of time in Tristan's life where he spent the better part of 6 months in a hospital in a clean room, and I could only see him through a little window in the door. The game's meaningful to us because this was my only way to interact and engage with him. So during the day, I would be in the hospital, we would game. It would give me a way to basically engage with him.
I brought with me some of the items that are precious to me. I have like their baby books, baby tags when they were born. And then I also brought with me one of the twins, my daughter. She was able to pick up a feather, which she gave to me and told me like, "You will always remember me," which is very touching for me because of how can you forget your child, right?
So fatherhood has really taught me to be a lot more patient and a lot less quick-tempered. Previously, I would, be very snappy, but I think now when you look at the kid, you realize that actually you need to be a lot more patient or you'll have a lot of hair drop off.
Okay, so being a father has taught me to accept imperfections. So there's this saying with children, right? You got 3 kids. With the first child, you open both eyes. With the second child, you close one eye. With the third child, you close both eyes. So the reality is that things will not be perfect. In fact, the home will be messy. But what is most important is that we are all together in it as a family.
One of the things that changed me when I held my child for the first time, that I never thought that there was this kind of love that you could feel. I always reflect on how blessed we are to have children, and understanding my parents also how they must feel about us and how that love has given us joy in life.